12 powerful reasons why you should eat one banana every day. Eating one banana every day can offer several benefits for your health and well-being. So, number 1. Nutrient-rich. Bananas are packed with essential nutrients such as potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, dietary fiber, and magnesium. Number 2. Energy boost. Bananas are a great source of natural sugars, providing a quick and sustained energy boost, making them an ideal pre-workout or midday snack. Number 3. Potassium balance. Bananas are high in potassium, which helps maintain proper heart function, balance fluid levels, and support healthy blood pressure. Number 4. Heart health. The potassium and fiber content in bananas can contribute to a healthy heart by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 5. Digestive health. The fiber in bananas aids in maintaining regular bowel movements and promoting healthy digestion. Number 6. Mood enhancement. Bananas contain tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood, promoting feelings of happiness and well-being. Number 7. Improved muscle function. The potassium content in bananas assists in preventing muscle cramps and promotes proper muscle function during physical activity. Number 8. Stronger bones. Bananas contain fructooligosaccharides, a type of dietary fiber that enhances the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients like calcium, leading to stronger bones. Number 9. Blood sugar control. The low glycemic index of bananas means they release sugars slowly into the bloodstream, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Number 10. Eye health. Bananas contain antioxidants and vitamin A, which are beneficial for maintaining healthy eyesight and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Number 11. Reduced inflammation. The presence of vitamin C and other antioxidants in bananas can help reduce inflammation. Number 12. Weight management. Bananas are a satisfying and low-calorie snack option that can help curb cravings and contribute to healthy weight management. So thank you for watching till the last. Don't forget to add banana in your daily diet, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.